decided to come to this park here in Park City. We're at a corporate retreat right now, but we came to clean up the area. So clean up the park, clean up the trail behind it, along the river, just picked up trash. We had about 65 that told me they were coming, but I think we probably ended up with like 80, 85 people with kids, all ages. I would say we're probably looking at like 15 bags of trash. Lots of different types of things that we're picking up, so lots of trash. We like to do something wherever we go, we want to make the area just a little bit better. And so I think trash, like picking up little pieces of trash, you don't realize how much there is until you start actually looking for it and picking it up. And then you see that there's just lots of little things, and then those turn into big things. So anything that we can do to beautify the area that we're in is a great thing to do.